Hi, I'm JP and today I'm going to show you how to make your own slant board for your home gym. Let's do this. Today I used a pencil, a combination square, measuring tape and a long straight thing to draw lines with. So here I'm using a combination square. I'm going to set it for 150 millimeters. That is the height of our slant boards. So here my line is parallel to the edge, and that way I can measure out 2 of the triangle pieces per rectangle. I'm also going to be able to measure out the backboards that hold the triangles in place and makes the whole structure a lot stronger. I'm actually making 2 slant boards in this video, and that's why I'm doing some extra measurements for the backboards so that there's enough width for the blade. Each of these backboard pieces will go between the outside triangles, so rather than being the full 500 width, we'll also be taking off the width of your plywood. So I had 12mm plywood, so I took 2 lengths off the ends. Next up then I'm marking out sets of triangles. So they're both the same, it's 320mm long. We make those 2 rectangles and now we can draw from corner to corner and we get the same distance along that top edge. Final measurement then is for the middle triangle, is making it slightly shorter on the tall end so the back brace can go up against it. Here I made sure I got the long straight edge first so it wouldn't impact any of my measurements going forward. Then it's a simple matter of following all our lines and cuts, making sure to keep all delicate parts of your body away from the blade. So I'm using another scrap piece here for my top boards. So I first squared it off and then used the 500mm width, and again because I'm building 2, once I had the 500mm, I cut it in half again. I used an electric sander then just to take off all the rough edges of all the pieces before attempting to stick and glue them together. Because my plywood was quite thin, I wanted to pre-drill the holes to reduce the chance of the wood splitting. So I pre-marked them all with pencil and then just went through with a small bit and a countersink to make all the holes. On the top board I made sure that my holes were far enough away from the edge that none of the screws would stick through. So I know it's probably overkill here to use wood glue as well as screws, but I don't particularly plan on taking these apart anytime soon, so I'd rather they're well held together. Getting the pieces square initially was kind of tricky, but on a flat surface everything stays fairly square, and I just put 1 screw in to make sure that everything fitted together, and then once I had all the ends kind of done, I put in all the middle screws and finished it all off. And that's it really, 2 awesome slant boards ready for use in the gym. Only thing left to do is clean up. Oh, how satisfying is that? If you want to get more support with your home gym, I've got more content coming, so please subscribe so you can stay on top of that. I'll see you next time.